My crust, easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, cookies. And 2, the hazelnuts. And 3, melted butter. Butter makes everything better. Let's talk about 3 foods Leo should never eat. Passion fruit. Leos do not eat ugly food. Durian. It's ugly and it's stinky. And last but not least, eggplant. I mean, is it an egg or is it a plant? Orange liqueur makes this ganache very grown up. And these need to chill. Okay, Leos, you ready? Little chef hack, a nice hot knife. No water on it though, cutting through chocolate. Ooh, smooth as you like. Ooh. Only the best. Let's dig in. The chocolate, the orange. Oh, it's a beautiful combination.